Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we take the guesswork out of shopping. Because let's be honest, who has the time to read all those reviews? Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with two heavyweight contenders, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the GorFanty Steam Mop. It's a battle of the mops, and may the best steam win. First up, let's talk about the price. The PurSteam comes in at a budget-friendly $99, while the GorFanty is strutting its stuff at $119. Reviewers of the PurSteam have noted that it offers good value for money, especially for its lightweight design and effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces. On the other hand, GorFanty users praise its extensive features and quick heating, justifying the higher price. It's a $20 difference, but it's all about the value you're getting. Next, let's talk about how quickly these mops heat up. The PurSteam claims it heats up in just 30 seconds, which many users appreciate for its efficiency. In contrast, the GorFanty fires up in a speedy 20 seconds. Reviewers have highlighted the GorFanty's quick heat-up time, making it perfect for those urgent cleanup moments. If you're in a hurry, GorFanty takes the lead here. Both mops double as handheld steamers. The PurSteam detaches for quick touch-ups on clothes and upholstery, which many users find very convenient. In reviews, customers have shared their satisfaction with its versatility, particularly for cleaning difficult areas. Meanwhile, the GorFanty also has a detachable steamer with 10 accessories, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Reviewers love its multifunctionality and ease of use, making cleaning feel less like a chore. Now, let's dive into accessories. The PurSteam comes with a variety of attachments, which users find handy for different cleaning tasks. Reviewers have mentioned its effective tools for cleaning floors and surfaces. The GorFanty, however, goes above and beyond with an extensive set of 10 accessories, including specialized tools for various cleaning needs. Users rave about how it can tackle every nook and cranny in their homes. Lastly, let's talk about steam temperature. The GorFanty reaches a scorching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which is highly praised by reviewers for effectively tackling stubborn stains. In contrast, the PurSteam doesn't specify a temperature, but is noted for its chemical-free cleaning approach. Reviewers appreciate that it cleans well without harsh chemicals, making it a safer option for homes with pets. If you need high heat for tough stains, GorFanty is the one to beat. Overall, both steam mops have their strengths. Reviewers of the PurSteam love its lightweight design, versatility, and value for money, making it a great option for budget-conscious shoppers. Meanwhile, GorFanty users rave about its quick heat-up time, powerful steam output, and comprehensive accessories, making it a top choice for serious cleaning enthusiasts. So which mop should you choose? If you're on a budget and need something quick and efficient, go for the PurSteam. But if you want all the bells and whistles, and you're not afraid to spend a little extra, GorFanty is ready to steamroll over your cleaning woes. Remember folks, buying smart is all about knowing what's right for you. Now, which mop will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to clean up your shopping choices. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Bye!